Hi everybody. So we're gonna do air fryer ram today. So we're gonna do it in a way it's gonna come out like Ram Suya or like ram steak. Well, in the northern Nigeria we call them ragu, right? So we have nicely cut, thinly cut and sliced rather ram meat here, washed already. So at this stage, you just put the spices you want to put in. I have just a few that I put in. It's gonna cook with its own oil, so there's no need to put any oil in it. It's gonna bring out its own fat and give it that suya-like taste. So the idea is to have it like suya, right? Okay. So what we just do, some red pepper, I like a lot of red pepper, so really brings out. Salt. Yeah. Right? Then some garlic powder, just a little bit. And some ginger powder too. So we're gonna mix this up then, let it sit for like an hour. So here we have it. I added some curry and some thyme. I forgot to add that in the first place. So added some curry and some thyme and I let it sit for like an hour. So now we're going to put it in the air fryer, like I said, just like it is, right? So I was able to fit in four. So we're going to put it on 205 degrees Celsius and then 15 minutes on each side. That is 30 minutes in total, right? So there we go. So let's give it time and come back. So here we have it after 15 minutes. You see oil coming out of it, right? Looking very nice and brown. So we're going to turn it. So we're just going to turn it around. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, we've turned it around now. Go in for another 15 minutes. Yeah, so it's beeped now. It's ready. So let's look at what it looks like. Yeah, nicely done. So the next thing is to put it in a plate and taste it and see what it tastes like. So here we have it. Let's check it out and see what it comes out like. Taste is exceptional, just like suya. But if you want it to be a little bit softer, I think you can go for 32 minutes, 33 minutes. But it's just okay for me, right? Really, really lovely. So if you want now, you could have this with pepper, or you could have it with your meals. So I normally keep this in storage so that I can eat it with my meals. But when I want to snack, I can just have it with pepper like suya. So there you have it, homemade suya. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Like, share with someone. Let's use or maximize the use of our air fryers, right? Thanks, Lee.